Good morning, Pre-Algebra. It's going to be a great day. It is Tuesday, and we are going to take today to do some review of percents. I've got a great worksheet for you to do. It should be really quick. It's a bunch of the similar kinds of problems over and over, and it's real life, right? So in real life, stores buy things from someone who makes them. And the store, it costs them something to buy, say, a bicycle, $100 to buy a bicycle, but they need to make a profit on it, so they raise that price. They mark it up before they sell it, so they might mark it up 50%, so then they would make $50 on the bike. They might mark it up 150%. They make $150 profit on that bike. So they buy something, mark it up. If it doesn't sell, you know the deal. You always look for it. It goes on sale, right? So now we have a sale price where it's discounted. And then in almost every state, New Hampshire is certainly an exception, but in Maine, at the cash register, you pay sales tax. So 5.5% sales tax. Good morning. A little coffee this morning. So I have an example up here. So let's see. We've got this idea that it's the cost to make something was $45. And let's say that you made this and you are selling it, right? So it costs you $45 to make something. And so then in order to sell it and actually make some money, you marked it up 45%. And it didn't sell. So you put it on sale for 25% off, right? So this is off. And then, because it's Maine, sales tax is 5.5%. So how could we write that in one string of calculations? Well, let's take a look. So we're starting with $45. To mark something up 45%, we multiply it by 1 plus that percent. So in this case, 1.45. That's that one-step multiplication. So now this whole thing is a price, correct? The current price. Oh, and then it's marked down on sale. So we can multiply that that current price by 0.75 because that's the sale. 25% off. And now this whole piece here is the sale price. And then you take it to the register, or someone takes it to the register, and it gets multiplied by 1.055. This is 1 plus the 5.5% as a decimal. All right, I've got calculatrice here. That's how I think you say it in French. So let's multiply this out. 45 times 1.45. Whoops, I made a mistake. Times 1.45 times 0.75 times 1.055. $51.63 rounding it. I have 51629. So if you didn't get a calculator, then go ahead and get get your calculator and put this through. 45 times 1.45. Let's double check. 45 times 1.45 times 0.75 times 1.055 equals, I got the same thing again. So let's see, my answer is $51.63. All right, so that's what someone would pay at the cash register. So give these a try. There are a bunch of different ones. Most of them only have one or two steps, or actually have two steps. So maybe there's a sale price and then the sales tax, or a markup and then the sales tax. By the end, you get to some that have more than two steps, right? There might be a markup and a discount and a sales tax. So I'd like you to practice writing each of these out. Writing this out just like this. The original price times markup or discount, maybe both, times the sales tax. Because you need to be able to write that out to be able to write an equation. Like, what if we didn't know this one? We put a P there. What if we didn't know this one? We'd put a P there. We'd write all the other ones in place and then be able to solve for what we don't know. This is where we're headed with algebra. Okay? So I have lots of examples on the paper. I did all of the odds. I'm asking you to do all of the evens, and it's totally doable. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.